Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
New York Times Business.
February 1st. 11 o'clock America, New York. Is it safe to travel to Mexico? Here's what you need to know. A spate of incidents, including protests among taxi drivers in Cancun and a stray bullet at an airport in Culiacan, has tourists asking the question. Taxi drivers during a recent protest in Cancun.
Daily FX Market News.
February 1st, 11 o'clock America, New York. FTSE, DAX remain range-bound ahead of ECB and BO rate decision. The FTSE 100 and DAX 40 have remained range-bound ahead of ECB and BO. Despite mixed earnings and unrest over wages in the UK, European equities remain resilient.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 1st, 10:46 America, New York. U.S. job openings jumped at end of last year. Demand for workers has been elevated since mid-2021. Layoff totals increased slightly in December as some companies announced job cuts.
New York Times Business.
February 1st, 10:27 America, New York. U.S. survey shows an uptick in job openings, and not in layoffs. The Labor Department found a rise in the number of posted jobs per worker in December, despite the Fed's efforts to cool the labor market. Job openings were plentiful in December, with no appreciable rise in layoffs.
BBC News Business.
February 1st, 10:14 America, New York. HSBC staff get a uniform of jumpsuits and jeans. The shift to casual wear for the bank's UK branch staff comes after BA unveiled jumpsuits for cabin crew.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 1st, 10 o'clock America, New York. Mexico's industrial hubs grow as part of trade shift toward nearshoring. Companies from around the world are moving production and equipment to Mexico as they seek a manufacturing hub closer to the U.S.
Daily FX Market News.
February 1st, 9:39 America, New York. USD, S&P 500 Outlook. How are risk assets and USD shaping up ahead of FOMC? The Fed's rate-setting committee has the power to quell impressive U.S. equity gains and prompt a resurgence in the U.S. dollar should it continue to stress inflation risks.
Global economy.
February 1st, 9:17 America, New York. Lebanon devalues official exchange rate by 90%. Central bank move to repeg the currency still leaves the pound far above its parallel black market rate.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 1st, 9:05 America, New York. Bloomberg looks to make more documentaries, talk shows. The news publisher is launching climate, science and sports shows on its rebranded streaming platform.
New York Times Business.
February 1st, 9 o'clock America, New York. AI bots can't report this column. But they can improve it. ChatGPT isn't the only writing assistant that has emerged to replace editors. We tested it alongside two others to assess their strengths and weaknesses. Daily FX Market News.
February 1st, 7:30 America, New York. GBP, USD update. 1.2300 handle holds firm as markets take a breather before the FOMC meeting. GBP, USD rangebound as the medium-term direction remains uncertain. FOMC and BO to provide clarity moving forward.
Marginal revolution.
February 1st, 7:25 America, New York. Staking income should not be taxed. Staking income from tokens should not be taxed. Since staking income is generated by inflation, it doesn't create new wealth but simply lowers the total value of the token.
Global economy.
February 1st, 5:48 America, New York. Eurozone inflation slows to 8.5% on back of lower energy costs. Consumer prices fall to lowest level since May as ECB prepares to impose another interest rate rise.
Global economy.
February 1st, 5:17 America, New York. Hong Kong's economy contracts more than expected in 2022. Chinese territory's GDP shrinks 3.5% after pandemic curbs stifle trade, tourism and retail.
BBC News Business.
February 1st, 2:17 America, New York. House prices fall for fifth month in a row. The price of the average property in January was £258,297, a decline of 0.6% on December.
BBC News Business.
February 1st, 024 America New York, tech layoffs. PayPal cuts 2,000 jobs as global economy weakens. The online payments platform is the latest technology firm to cut costs as the global economy weakens.